Today we are going to draw the letters P, Q, and R with some tasty and healthy foods. Get your pencils ready and let's have fun drawing together. First, we draw the letter P. Now, under it, let's draw a pepper. Peppers are crunchy and tasty. Next, we draw the letter Q. Under it, let's draw a quince. Quinces are yellow. Now we draw the letter R. Under it, let's draw a raspberry. They are a type of berry. Now it's time to color. Please color with me. Green. Orange. I'm coloring the pepper orange. They come in many colors like green, red, yellow, and orange. They are full of nutrients that help keep our bodies strong and full of energy. Green. We often use peppers in salads. Red. Green. Yellow. Quinces contain vitamins that are good for our bodies. They can be cooked and used to make jams and desserts. Blue. You can also choose your favorite colors. Green. I'm coloring the raspberry red with green leaves. Red. Raspberries contain vitamins and antioxidants that help keep our bodies healthy. Raspberries are small, sweet, and juicy. We often use raspberries to make jam, which is very popular and delicious. Great job, kids! Today we learned that P, pepper, Q, quince, R, raspberry. Healthy fruits and vegetables help our bodies grow strong and keep us energized. Let's take a picture. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with